Technology has become one of the most powerful tools supporting humanitarian organizations around the world. Beyond providing emergency supplies and medical care, these organizations increasingly rely on electronic technology to expand educational opportunities, improve communication, and strengthen services for communities facing difficult circumstances. In areas affected by natural disasters, conflict, or limited infrastructure, access to education and information can be just as important as access to food, shelter, or healthcare. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore how remote learning technology and aid-specific electronic devices support humanitarian efforts, why these tools eventually become obsolete, and how proper maintenance, careful planning, and responsible recycling help reduce electronic waste while allowing organizations to continue serving communities effectively. Education plays a vital role in long-term humanitarian assistance. While emergency response often focuses on meeting immediate needs, providing access to learning helps communities recover, rebuild, and prepare for the future. In many parts of the world, disasters or limited infrastructure can interrupt traditional education, making portable electronic technology an essential resource for maintaining educational opportunities. Remote learning technology allows teachers and students to continue learning even when permanent classrooms are unavailable. Tablets, laptops, educational software, and communication tools make it possible to bring lessons directly into temporary learning centers, community buildings, or other locations where students can safely continue their education. These electronic systems also create greater flexibility for educators. Digital learning materials can be shared quickly, lessons can be adapted for different situations, and students can access educational resources regardless of their location. Communication tools further strengthen collaboration by allowing instructors, volunteers, and program coordinators to stay connected throughout humanitarian outreach efforts. Because this equipment is frequently transported between communities, durability and portability are essential. Devices must continue operating reliably despite frequent travel and changing environmental conditions. Reliable technology allows humanitarian organizations to maintain consistent educational services while supporting communities during periods of recovery and development. Although these electronic tools provide tremendous value, every device eventually reaches the end of its useful life. Understanding the complete life cycle of educational technology encourages organizations to maintain equipment carefully, extend its lifespan whenever practical, and plan responsible replacements that reduce unnecessary electronic waste. Remote learning kits are designed to provide everything educators need to establish effective learning environments in locations where traditional classrooms may not exist. Rather than relying on a single device, these kits combine multiple electronic tools that work together to support teaching, communication, and student participation. Tablets and laptop computers often serve as the foundation of these learning systems. They provide access to digital textbooks, educational software, presentations, assignments, and interactive learning materials that help students continue developing important skills regardless of their location. Portable projectors further enhance instruction by allowing educators to present lessons to larger groups in temporary classrooms or community learning spaces. Many learning kits also include rechargeable lighting systems, portable solar charging equipment, wireless communication devices, digital storage media, headphones, and compact networking hardware. Together, these components allow educational programs to operate even in areas where electricity or internet access may be limited. Because humanitarian learning kits travel frequently between different communities, durability becomes just as important as performance. Equipment must be easy to transport, quick to set up, and dependable enough to withstand repeated use in changing environments. Although these devices are designed for long-term service, years of transportation, daily operation, and continuous technological advancement eventually reduce their effectiveness. Careful equipment management helps organizations maximize the value of every device while preparing responsibly for future upgrades that continue improving educational opportunities. In addition to remote learning technology, Humanitarian organizations rely on a wide range of specialized electronic devices that help support daily operations in the field. While these gadgets may not always receive as much attention as larger pieces of equipment, they play an essential role in keeping aid programs organized, efficient, and responsive to the needs of the communities they serve. Portable GPS devices help field teams navigate unfamiliar areas and travel safely between remote locations. In regions where roads may be damaged or maps are limited, accurate navigation helps organizations deliver supplies, reach learning centers, and coordinate activities more effectively. Satellite communication equipment is equally important, allowing teams to stay connected even when traditional communication networks are unavailable or unreliable. Rechargeable power stations provide another valuable resource by supplying electricity in areas where grid power does not exist. These systems keep computers, communication equipment, and other electronic devices operating throughout the day, ensuring that educational and humanitarian programs can continue without unnecessary interruptions. Many organizations also use barcode scanners, rugged mobile devices, portable printers, and electronic identification tools to improve inventory management and simplify field operations. These technologies help track supplies, record information accurately, and support more efficient distribution of humanitarian resources. Although many of these devices are small and portable, together they represent a significant investment in technology. Managing them responsibly throughout their life cycle helps organizations protect valuable resources while reducing unnecessary electronic waste. Humanitarian technology is built for reliability, but even the most dependable electronic devices cannot keep pace with constant technological advancement forever. As manufacturers introduce newer equipment with faster processors, stronger wireless connectivity, improved battery performance, and enhanced security features, organizations naturally begin modernizing their technology to improve efficiency and better serve the communities that rely on their programs. In many situations, older devices continue functioning properly, but are no longer compatible with current educational software or communication systems. Modern learning platforms often require updated hardware to support new applications, larger storage capacities, and faster processing speeds. As a result, organizations may decide that upgrading equipment provides greater long-term value than continuing to maintain aging devices. Improved battery technology is another important factor. Newer electronics can often operate longer between charges, making them especially valuable during humanitarian missions where reliable electricity may not always be available. Enhanced durability and improved connectivity also help organizations operate more efficiently in demanding environments. Replacing equipment does not mean older devices suddenly lose all value. Many continue serving useful purposes in training programs, administrative offices, or backup operations before retirement becomes necessary. Careful planning allows organizations to maximize the usefulness of every device while ensuring technology investments continue supporting humanitarian goals. By understanding why equipment becomes obsolete, organizations can make informed replacement decisions that balance technological progress with responsible electronic waste management. Humanitarian electronic equipment rarely operates under ideal conditions. Unlike devices that remain inside offices or classrooms, remote learning technology often travels long distances and is used in environments where dust, humidity, temperature changes, and frequent transportation are part of everyday operations. These challenging conditions naturally place additional stress on electronic components over time. Repeated setup and dismantling of temporary learning centers also contribute to normal wear. Charging ports, cables, connectors, protective cases, and internal components all experience gradual aging through continuous handling and transportation. Even equipment specifically designed for rugged use benefits from regular inspection and preventive care. Routine maintenance is one of the simplest and most effective ways to extend the lifespan of humanitarian electronics. Cleaning devices regularly helps remove dust and debris that could interfere with performance. Protecting charging ports, storing equipment in protective cases, and inspecting cables for damage all contribute to improved reliability. Following recommended battery charging practices also helps preserve battery performance throughout years of service. Software updates, when available, provide another valuable way to improve equipment without replacing hardware. Updated software can strengthen security, improve stability, and enhance compatibility with educational applications, allowing organizations to continue using existing devices effectively. By maintaining equipment carefully, humanitarian organizations reduce unnecessary replacement costs, maximize the value of their technology investments, and help minimize the amount of electronic waste generated throughout their educational and humanitarian programs. While tablets, laptops, and communication devices often receive the most attention, the accessories that support them are just as important to the success of humanitarian programs. Charging cables, power adapters, battery packs, portable solar panels, memory cards, networking equipment, carrying cases, and external storage devices all help remote learning kits and aid-specific technology operate efficiently in the field. Without these supporting components, even the most advanced electronic devices may not perform as intended. Keeping accessories organized allows humanitarian organizations to make better use of their technology investments. Many supporting components remain compatible with newer equipment even after primary devices have been upgraded. Reusing these accessories whenever practical helps reduce unnecessary purchases, lowers operating costs, and minimizes electronic waste. Planning technology upgrades also requires careful evaluation. Rather than replacing equipment simply because newer models are available, organizations often review maintenance history, operational reliability, and future software compatibility before making replacement decisions. Equipment that no longer meets the needs of one program may continue serving useful purposes in training sessions, administrative offices, or as backup equipment during future missions. When a device eventually reaches the end of its practical service life, responsible end-of-life management becomes essential. Educational materials should be preserved when appropriate, reusable accessories should be separated, and retired electronics should be organized for proper handling instead of being mixed with general waste. Working with licensed recyclers helps recover valuable materials while supporting responsible electronic waste management. This thoughtful approach ensures that technology continues providing value throughout every stage of its life cycle. Technology will continue shaping the future of humanitarian education and aid programs. As electronic devices become lighter, more durable, faster, and more energy efficient, organizations will gain even greater opportunities to expand educational access, strengthen communication, and improve services for communities facing difficult circumstances. These advancements will allow humanitarian teams to reach more people while providing higher quality support in areas where traditional infrastructure remains limited. At the same time, innovation also means that older equipment will gradually be replaced by newer technologies with improved capabilities. This ongoing cycle makes responsible lifecycle management more important than ever. Extending the useful life of existing equipment through regular maintenance, organizing accessories carefully, and planning upgrades strategically helps organizations maximize the value of every technology investment before replacement becomes necessary. Responsible recycling also plays an important role in this process. Recovering valuable materials from obsolete electronics helps conserve natural resources while reducing unnecessary electronic waste. Every tablet, laptop, portable projector, communication device, and power system contains materials that required significant engineering, manufacturing, and resources to produce. By balancing technological innovation with responsible equipment management, humanitarian organizations can continue expanding educational opportunities while promoting sustainability. Thoughtful planning ensures that technology remains a powerful tool for supporting learning, strengthening communities, and improving humanitarian services for years to come. Thank you for joining us as we explored the important role technology plays in humanitarian education and aid programs. From remote learning kits to specialized electronic devices, these technologies help organizations expand educational opportunities, improve communication, and support communities facing challenging circumstances around the world. As equipment naturally ages and technology continues advancing, responsible lifecycle management becomes an essential part of every humanitarian program. Maintaining electronics, planning upgrades carefully, reusing compatible accessories, and recycling obsolete devices through licensed recyclers all help reduce electronic waste while making the best use of valuable resources. Every electronic device represents an opportunity to support both humanitarian service and environmental responsibility. By managing technology thoughtfully throughout its life cycle, organizations can continue improving educational access while building a more sustainable future. Together, we can support humanitarian education, reduce electronic waste, and ensure valuable technology continues making a positive difference in communities around the world.